consider acquiring. And you will be immersed with a wide range of detestations and riddle of security and reimbursement modules combined with truly weighty financing costs that you will evade considering getting in government-issued types of money. However, presently you have an answer for sure, which is genuinely critical. The computerized resource world is here to alleviate your stresses over acquiring and loaning. The decentralized money convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related openness and marking obstacles, yet additionally to address your nerve-wracking worries connected with getting and loaning in a by and large enormous manner. One such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, banks of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on digital forms of money also. The framework for the most part goes through no adjustment of instrument versus government-issued types of money. As indicated by Aave Cost Forecast, Aave truly has made the whole framework moderately simple and intelligible to an everyday person putting his cash-related stresses very still. The Aave benefit. Computerized resource holders profit all benefits of getting and loaning since the in every practical sense. Local symbolic Aave gives a markdown to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like truly different monetary forms, Aave also is administered by market opinions and brokers' financial planning designs, which is genuinely huge. The in every practical sense, token advantages to financial backers are enormous, and Aave is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of elements draw commonly more and essentially more brokers too as time passes. Aave likewise certainly offers fixed and variable loan costs, and permits clients to exchange their preferred cash. Aave, the street ahead. What's in store is genuinely brilliant for Aave, as the corporate certainly has especially imagined a generous vision for Aave in every practical sense, significant way. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has generally certain signs for Aave. Notwithstanding, specialists in a real sense have commonly demonstrated long-haul crypto expectations as exceptionally kind of high that urge financial backers and brokers to feel free to in every way that really matters put resources into this digital money in a light market with certainty. Taking out the intricacies of the decentralized environment, Aave has been made with the sole target of an in every practical sense, multi-useful and multi-purpose benefit in all for the most part different backgrounds. The brain research of clients assumes an essential part in the crypto market opinion, which is very huge. Costs generally are exceptionally delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto by and large token. Aave also is no exemption. The idleness that at first played for Aave in last year sort of is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and brokers. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 dissipated in the scenery of its mechanical arrangements. A regularly and distinctly noticed characteristic of Aave is that it for the most part has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving, which is genuinely huge. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development, or so they thought. In light of our figures, a drawn-out increment truly is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 for the most part is $7.37, in spite of prevalent thinking. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 732.86%. Aave cost truly is set to record a decent pinnacle of $189.48, a base cost of $128.84 before the year's over 2022, which it makes certain to scale, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per the most recent long-haul figure, Aave cost will hit $228 toward the finish of 2022 and a similar cost $228 toward 2023 in an unobtrusive manner's end. The next few years will show up as a smooth time for Aave in a significant manner. As indicated by our Aave Cost Forecast 2022, the cost could exchange around $198.52 before the current year's over. The value expectations of different specialists don't discourage the coin from outflanking the opponent coins using any and all means. Aave People Group has set genuinely higher benchmarks for itself. Regardless, Aave will truly outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers who have most certainly found this stage incredibly intuitive and straightforward. The ongoing cost of Aave really waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34 in a significant manner. The best tips to sort of put resources into Aave will be to purchase on plunges, as at present, Aave is at the pinnacle, or so they thought, despite the fact that there could be misdirecting treat for us as far as Aave. Similar to any sort of other digital currency, it is insightful to sort of hang tight for one more round of up bullish in a real sense push, despite the fact that kind of other major crypto Goliaths explicitly appear to be getting really online entertainment publicity. Aave will without a doubt consistently show a positive example, continually rising. And the impending years will generally be one of the most mind-blowing times of Aave, with value expectations of at least $1,200 without a doubt. Incredibly. Aave Value Forecast 2022. With organizations and partnerships in local areas subsidizing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a typical degree of $181.15, which is very hopeful, however definitely achievable, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Aave Value Forecast 2023 in a significant manner. With any progressions engulfed, approaches and guidelines, Aave cost may too have its portion of murky days. Aave cost ought to cruise tranquilly at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67, making it not plunge, however sort of play predictable. Aave Value Expectation 2024. Aave cost pattern really has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful development way, which sort of is very huge. The coin may sort of fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New organizations would carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital currency, taking Aave cost around $241.23. Aave Value Expectation 2025. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which may demonstrate an extreme test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave, which is genuinely critical. The cost skyline especially is really brilliant for Aave. It doesn't exclusively count on decentralization. As per our cost expectations, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025, or so they thought. Aave Value Forecast 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception in the by and large last year that drove the cost of Aave. From the very outset of 2026, Aave has stamped colossal development, which is very huge. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, yet later confronted rectification and keep on exchanging around $275.96, which truly is genuinely huge. The token really is acquiring notoriety among financial backers. And the Aave cost in every practical sense is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over. Does Aave have a future? Aave is one digital currency that explicitly will have a splendid future, or so they thought. Riding the crypto wave, Aave will govern the crypto realm. Thus, for the purpose of installment, it would have a very lengthy rule. Is Aave better than Bitcoin? With regards to exchange speed and expenses, Aave is without a doubt better compared to Bitcoin. The kind of typical time taken for handling an exchange by Aave in every way that really matters is not really 2.5 seconds, far in front of Bitcoin in an unpretentious way. Will Aave cost reach $1,000, which generally is genuinely huge? As per some cost expectations, we could see the Aave cost might reach $1,000 before the finish of 2021. Financial backers are instructed to follow along with respect to advertised development, as opposed to anticipating that the Aave cost should rise tomorrow alone. Is Aave a wise